How could you possibly lose one of those? Half a key. Okay, my biggest problem is the nut. The nut is, oh, there's the other nut. Right there, 6 nuts. Alright, we got everything we need. Alright. There's nothing hidden on the back side. Do we got a plug? Nope. Okay, good deal. Okay, now we can go ahead and assemble this a little bit. Hopefully the gasket did not shrink yet. Let me see, I want to do this right this minute. No, I still don't want to do it right this minute. I want to put the pump together first because it's kind of important. First thing I'm going to do is get this clip here on the pump. You want to make sure it's going to be tight and not spin around. So it's kind of important. So usually what I do is I go a little squeeze. Don't lose it. We're trying to close up this gap. That gap's pretty big. It needs to be closed up. These new Nip Mix pliers are very sharp, so they will try to cut you when you're squeezing on them like this. If they slip, these edges are very, very sharp. There we go. Alright, and I'm going to go a little bit more this way just to make sure. Now, if you overdo it, you're going to have a problem. Try not to overdo it. So this goes on the inner one, or the outer one I should say. Try to put this snap ring 180 from the keyway. Now I'm going to try to put this thing on, which is going to be hard because I just squeezed the piss out of it. Yeah, it already doesn't want to go. So we're going to go ahead and take our vise here. Like that. Squeeze it down. I'm going to try to roll this clip on here. Pretty hard on my fingers. And we're trying not to lose it too. Where's the key? Okay, the keyway is over there. So I actually want it to be over here. Hard on your fingers. And not go in. My thumb is not happy. I had zero luck on doing it. I think I over squeezed it. Pretty sure I over squeezed it. Alright. Let's try our expanding tool here. See if I can get this thing to go in there. It's in. Oh yeah, she's in there. Keys right here. Put the opening away from it. Yeah, definitely isn't going to fall off. overcorrected it. Yeah, that thing has a very wide gap right there already. So it's on there. It ain't coming off. That's for damn sure. There's no way that thing's coming off. Definitely on there. Okay, what pump gear? We are using the large pump gear. Make sure it goes in there real nice. Appears to work pretty good. Okay, I'm good with that. So now we take our oil pump draw gear, or key, the fat one. Go ahead and put it in there. Find the sweet spot where it goes in. We are in. Okay. Goes like that. Now we gotta put the little half key in here, which is really hard to see, hard to feel. Just about impossible to put in with your bare fingers. So it goes right in like that. Practice. And now we gotta try to put this gear on there without knocking the key out. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And the key lifted up on me, so push it back down. Try it again. Where's the key at? Try to get the screwdriver to hold the key down on the back side so it doesn't come up on it. Make sure when you're pushing on it, you're where it'll go in. And we lift it up on the key. Now it's engaged. Okay, I push it all the way through there and go like that. There we go. Use the back of the oil pump body to hold it. Okay, it's in there. Rough. Okay, our gears are installed. They rotate. I'm good with that. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and goop things up. I'm going to check my gasket and see if it shrunk. All that time sitting dry. See if it expanded enough to go on here. Let's see, this goes on like this. I think I'm okay. Come on, get off the thread without tearing. Okay, we're going to goop this side. We're going to goop our case right here. Very delicate process. Try not to goop too much where the gears actually go. There's no way of not doing some of it though. Okay, hope this doesn't bite me, but we'll find out. Okay, I joined the goop up to one side of the gasket. I'm sure some will come through and hit on the other side, which will cause a problem. It has. Sticking through on this side, I can see it already, which is going to be a problem. Wipe that off. I'll put a bit of oil on the pump body to keep from sticking to it, hopefully. Where's the cover at? I'm going to use the cover to push the gasket down so it doesn't tear on the threads. These gaskets will tear instantly, especially a little thin one on the threads. So one trick is to use an installation tool right here to go all the way down, like that. Come back up and do these. Gasket's a little tight, see? Shrunk a little bit, so it's pretty tight. Okay, we're going to leave it at that point. We'll put a little bit of oil on that so it doesn't stick to the gasket. You don't want to be able to pull it back off without tearing the gasket. We're doing a mock-up, not an assembly. So this might bite me in the butt. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so get a little bit of oil on that. Okay, if I flip this pump over, it's going to drop the gears out, so I got to turn the motor to the other side here so I don't lose it. Like this angle here. Now we can put this in without losing anything. See how nice the gasket goes down. Boom. Take our regular gasket. This one doesn't have any goop on it. Go like that. Let's go ahead and put a little pressure on this and see what happens. Put the dirty nut down here on the bottom where you don't see it as much. Now, locks in there. Correct lock. Lock look a little bit thick, it's not. Extra lock. Okay. Go ahead and put a little pressure on these nuts. Start in the middle. Cross pattern. Okay. See if I can turn the shaft. No.